Hello everybody, Patty the Leather Lady here with some gift ideas for your horse people or your leather crafters. We can personalize them any way you want. Definitely can put your name on them to send them to there. We're going to actually make nice little kits for you. But we have for the horse lovers or anybody that wants to deal with leather to keep their leather clean and conditioned, we can build these any size. If you want just a 1 item or 3 items, 4 items, you just give us a call. We'll build it for you and then we'll have it shipped out for Christmas, or we can ship it to you to give to gifts. So this one here is definitely for cleaning and conditioning, different types. This is an oil, a cream cleaner. This is for your protectant to waterproof, and some brushes and to buff as well. We have one for your leather crafters. You can build it any way you want. Go on our website to catch some DIY kits and things like that. This is a basic tooling with a dog collar and a few things you'll need, toys or tools for your kits. We can go ahead and your sheepskin. This is for the sheepskin lovers. This is a detergent for your sheepskin that we use if we need to clean your sheepskin, and also some brushes to help you keep your sheepskin fluffed up and clean. And for those little guys, we have also some little kits. You can just do one or not, and anything under $20 definitely. If you just don't know what to get, you can actually get a gift certificate. We'll make that gift certificate for any price over $25 and up, and you can use those for products or our services. And if you want to take a DIY class, workshop, whatever kind of thing that you want to do, then we will definitely make it for you. Orders must be in by December 10th in order to get these to you on time. We would hope that you get them in by December 5th, but we know that some people need last minute. Give us a call or email us at theleatherladyllc@gmail.com. Don't forget to go to our website for sheepskin and leather products. Have a Merry Christmas, and I hope you have a wonderful holiday.
Ho, ho, ho! Merry Christmas!